Bedtime, Blake. This is Blake's bedtime book. Blake has had a very fun day, filled with lots of sunshine and time to play. Now it's bedtime for you. Do you remember all you have to do? First, Blake puts all of her toys back in their nooks. Her Legos, dolls, crayons, cars, playmats, and books. Blake's toys. Next, Blake brushes her teeth, morning and night, which helps to keep them sparkly white. Blake uses a stool to see. Up she goes. 1, 2, 3. Bath time means that playtime isn't over yet. Getting squeaky clean with Ducky makes it fun to get wet. Blake puts on her pajamas, which makes her feel snug and cozy. Her eyes are getting sleepy, and she's feeling rather dozy. Blake can't wait to climb into her big comfy bed. She grabs her teddy and thinks of the fun day ahead. She reads a book to Teddy so he can learn his ABCs. Blake shows him the pictures of the animals and trees. Blake's eyes are getting tired and she's starting to yawn. It's time to go to dreamland before the sunrise at dawn. Last, Blake knows it's time to turn out the light. She kisses those she loves as they wish her good night. Blake's goodnight checklist. Did you pick up all your toys? Did you brush your teeth? Did you take a bath? Did you put your pajamas on? Did you read your book? And did you turn off the light? Pleasant dreams, Blake. Sleep tight. The end. Blake, try one of our other personalized books at firsttimebooks.com. Good night, Blake.